Hi guys, welcome to the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Garden Oasis. This is your November update in 60 seconds or less. Our little goldfish friends are happy and healthy. These plants over here in the corner were actually struggling a little bit when I started here January, but I've given them some really good care to all three of these, and they've come back just very, very vibrant. So we have a nice, beautiful corner over here with these that have really thrived over the summer. Well, that's the update for the Garden Oasis here at Gibraltar Heritage Trust. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.